Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women caplet design. Different style, different ideas in front of you. For those ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. So dear friends, crochet is always beautiful and always stylish, trendy. So, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. Dear friends, we have designers you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman caplet designs and other material like crochet woman, poncho design, scarf design, flowering scarf design, crochet woman, bodycon dresses, scarter dresses, skirt design, circular jacket design, open jacket design, cardigans, top and blouse designs, crochet jewelry like crochet woman necklace designs, earring designs, bracelet designs and feet jewelry also. Crochet woman anklet design, baby anklet design, crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, crochet baby boot designs, sandal and slipper designs also, crochet baby poncho design, caplet also. So dear friends, this is very beautiful and most amazing and most trendy collection in front of you. So try this collection, enjoy this video. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends and relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video, how was the design? So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.